So we are ready with the pH experiment, measurement of pH. So for the measurement of pH, we have to use the pH probe. Now this probe before use needs to be calibrated, and for calibration what we require is we require standard solutions of pH 4, pH 7 and pH 9.2. These kind of tablets are available for each of the pH values. As you can see, these are available in these bottles. So we have to put one tablet in 100 ml of distilled water. That will give us corresponding value. So pH 4 tablet is put and we get the value of 4, 7 and 9.2. By calibration, what we mean is we make this instrument to read these particular values as pH 4, 7 and 9.2 respectively. As we know, pH is negative logarithm to the base 10 of concentration of H plus ion. So now we will calibrate the instrument, for which we have to wash it every time with distilled water. So now we will start with the calibration part, and for each of the calibration, once the calibration is done, we will show you these values. So now we are starting with the calibration part. Before calibration, we need to clean the probe, pH probe with distilled water. So we have cleaned it with the distilled water. Now we are calibrating it with standard solution of pH 4. So once it is dipped, it is showing the reading as 4. So it has been calibrated for pH 4. Now again the probe will be washed. It will be washed with distilled water. Now we will check it for pH 7. So again the probe is dipped. So slight deviation. So Ingolesser will adjust this to pH 7 using a small screwdriver and a small screw which is there. So we have to adjust it for pH 7. As you can see, it is adjusted now to pH 7. Again wash it with distilled water. And now use it for calibrating with pH value as 9.2. So again the probe will be dipped. Again micro adjustment will be done with a screwdriver. Yeah, it is already showing 9.2. So our instrument is calibrated now. So now we are ready with the measurement of actual samples. So we have 6 different samples that we are going to use for the measurement of pH. So sample 1, you can measure the pH Ingolesser and then we will make the inference. Yes. For the sample 1, pH is 2.7. So it is acidic. pH less than 7, the sample is acidic. Again the instrument is washed with distilled water, and we will now measure pH for sample number 2. Now sample number 2, we are measuring the pH using the pH probe. So it is 12. So this is alkaline. Now for this same sample, we will measure the pH using pH paper. So let us measure the pH using pH paper. त्या बाजूने टाक, म्हणजे तुझा हात मध्ये नाही येणार, त्या बाजूने. हां. Yeah. So the color has got developed. You can check it. Just a minute. So it is in the alkaline range. So for AquaGuard or for drinking water, the pH should be in the range of 6.5 to 8.5. So this AquaGuard water is fit for drinking as far as parameter pH is concerned. Now the next is bore water, bore well. So we will measure its pH. .6. So this water is also fit for drinking as far as pH is concerned. Now this particular sample, colored sample, it is basically a syrup of kokum sarbat, what we call. Okay. Now surprisingly, kokum, this is used for, say, reducing the acidity. आपण त्याला मराठीत पित्तशामक म्हणतो. But you see the pH here. Surprisingly, the pH of this raw kokum sarbat is acidic, 3.3 or so. Once it goes into our belly, stomach, then it acts, or the changes takes place because of the biometabolism process in our body, and it helps to reduce the acidity of the acidity in our body. And the last sample for measurement of pH is prepared sample. So this prepared sample we will be using for measurement of hardness also and alkalinity also. So this is slightly alkaline, pH is around 9.9. Okay.